Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group, so the interested candidates may join in that group, and the group link is kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And coming to the present video, we are going to see the PGT, TGT and PRT vacancies notification in the Army Public School. So you may apply from any state from all over the India, and the age limit is up to 57 years and the application fee is only 100 rupees. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account guys, and I provided this link in the description box of this video, so please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here it is the Army Public School, RK Puram, Secunderabad. Okay, so affiliated to CBSE, anticipated vacancies of teachers 2021 to 22. So here you can check down the subjects and the number of vacancies and the category also. Coming under the PGT, Psychology, Commerce, Geography, Chemistry, Biology, History, English, IP and Physical Education. So each and every subject is having the 1 vacancies are there. And coming to the TGT, Biology, Chemistry, Science and English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Maths. So here the few vacancies are there. So while coming to Science 2, English 3, Hindi 4 and Sanskrit 2 and Maths 4. And coming to the PRT, all subjects 22. And PTI male and female 2, music 1, dance 1 and special education 2. So the total 54 vacancies are there, and you may apply from the school website itself. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, and the application form along with the DD of 100 rupees in favor of Army Public School RK Puram payable at Secunderabad should be sent to the school by post, and fill the name for only one school in a cluster. So no application will be accepted via email, so you have to send the hard copy only. Eligibility and conditions: candidates who have qualified with 50% of marks in the online screening exam are only eligible to appear for the interviews. And the candidates who have not qualified in the screening exam will not be considered for teachers interview during January or February 2021. So coming to the PGTs, must be postgraduate with B.Ed with minimum 50% of marks in each. Other qualifications and experience as per the CBSE affiliation. And coming to the TGTs and PRTs, graduation with B.Ed and equivalent with minimum 50% of marks in each. In case candidates has not scored 50% marks in the graduation but has qualified as a PG with the same subject and scored 50% or more marks in PG will be considered. So other qualifications and experiences as per the CBSE. So candidates should have cleared the CTET or TET exam with 60% of marks. And coming to the age, so the fresh candidates below 40 years, experienced candidates below 57 years, okay, and should have minimum 5 years teaching experience in the appropriate category in the last 10 years. And the last date for submitting the application forms in the school office along with Xerox copies of educational qualifications with mark sheet and CSB and CTET qualified scorecard or relevant page of result sheet by 20th January 2021. And the contact number is also given here, so you may contact in between 9 AM to 2 PM, okay, in the working days if you are having any queries regarding this notification. And the number is 040-277-94729. Okay, so here the vacancies of the teachers 21 to 22. Okay, the subjects are given. Coming to the PGT, 1 vacancy each. So qualification as I already shown you previously. So these are the details guys. So to get the more details, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So remember that 20th January 2021 is the last date. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys, that means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan, okay? So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.